Welcome to Get Solutions. This is your Lokesh. So in this session, we are going to discuss the significances of analyzing cost elements. So in last class, you already discussed the various cost elements which affects the business enterprise or organization. So by analyzing the cost elements, how it is benefited and what is the need of analyzing the cost elements and what is the significance of analyzing the cost elements in the business organization, that we are going to discuss in this session. See, the first and foremost important of analyzing the cost element in the business organization, it enables the management to ascertain the profitability of a concern. See, in order to determine the sales or selling price, the cost and profit is the major component, because the selling price is determined based on the cost and by adding certain percentage of profitability. That means cost plus profit is equal to selling price. So the first importance of the cost element analyzation, it enables the management or business organization to compute the profitability of the business concern. So therefore, the analyzing or analysis of the cost element is very important for the business organization. And second one, it provides detailed analysis of cost of material, cost of labor and other overheads. In last class itself, we have already discussed the various cost elements, how it will be effect on the business organization while decision making. So the analysis of the cost elements helps in detailed analysis of the cost of material, either direct material or indirect material, and either direct labor and indirect labor, and overheads, that is administration or selling or different factory overheads. Finally, the analysis of the cost elements gives the complete description about the different material and labor and overheads incurred for the business organization to produce the product. And the next one, it helps in classify the cost by functions and department and nature of expenses. Yes, it is true. The analysis of the cost elements in the business organization helps in segregation or classification of the different cost based on the functional areas or based on the functions and based on the different departments and based on the nature of expenses, such as direct expenses and indirect expenses. So based on these criteria, the cost elements helps for the business organization to segregate or classify the cost into direct and indirect based on the functions, departments and nature of expenses incurred for the production of the business organization. And the third one, it helps in controlling the cost by comparing the actual with estimates. See, once again, it helps in controlling the cost by comparing the actual with estimates. Here estimates in the sense standard cost. So this will bring the concept of standard costing, which means in order to achieve some target, the company is going to fix up some target. So after producing the product, the cost analysis ultimately helps to control the cost, which means when the actual cost more than the estimated cost or standard cost, then it is a negative impact on the production process, because the actual cost is more than the standard cost which was fixed by the business organization. It is a negative impact only. How this is possible? In the sense, this is possible only comparing the actual cost with the standard cost. If the actual cost is less than the standard cost or estimated cost, it is a positive impact on the business organization on production process. So by this comparison, the business organization, so for the business organization, it is ultimately helpful to control the cost. Controlling the cost in the sense, control the cost per unit or control the cost of process than the standard cost or estimated cost, so that the comparison of actual versus standard is very helpful to control the cost. This is possible only through analyzing the different cost elements which affect the business organization. And the next one, it helps in determination of the price and formulation of the production policies. Ultimately, we have already discussed in the first point itself, the cost is a major factor which helps in decision making, because the cost plus profit is ultimately helpful to determine the price or selling price. This is possible only by analyzing the different cost elements only. See the statement again, it helps in determine the price, it is nothing but selling price, and also based on this the business organization formulate the production policies which ultimately helpful to controlling the cost and reducing the cost or cost per unit. And the next point, it helps in or it improves competitive spirit of the organization. Yes, of course, when the business organization produce the product with minimum cost and high quality, it is ultimately a benefit to the business organization. So when the cost of the product is less and quality of the product is more, then it creates the loyal customers towards that particular product. When the customers or target audience loyal to the particular product which is produced by the any business organization, ultimately the competition will be going to increases because of sales increases for the particular product in the business organization. So this is the situation where the competitive spirit of the organization in peak stage. So therefore, the quality, quantity, efficiency, cost, efforts are more important for the business organization to improve the competitive spirit of the organization. So that is the case. The analysis of the cost elements improves the competitive spirit of the organization finally. It is because of the analyzing the cost. Next one, it helps in allocation of the resources. Ultimately, the analyzing or analysis of the cost elements which majorly impact on the business organization decisions. In decision itself, the organization will be going to decide in order to reduce the cost, we have to allocate or optimizing the available resources for the production process. So therefore, analysis of the cost element which ultimately helps the business organization to allocate the various resources. Next, the last point, it helps in decision making. Yes, the cost is a very major important factor which affects the business organization. When the business organization concentrate on or takes into account the different cost elements which ultimately helpful to determine the price of the product and percentage or margin of profitability added to the cost of the product. So this ultimately helpful to the business organization to take the final decision towards the product which is produced by the different stages and by the different departments, by comparing the actual with estimated prices of the product, by analyzing the various cost of materials, labors and other overheads, and finally by producing the different production policies towards the particular product, etc. So finally, the analysis of the cost elements helps the decision making of the organization. So these are the various importance of the analysis of the cost elements. First one, it enables the management to ascertain the profitability of a concern. Second one, provides detailed analysis of the cost of material, cost of labor and different other overheads such as administration or administrative overhead, selling overhead, factory overhead, etc. Next, it helps in classify the cost by various functions and department wise and based on nature of expenses. Next one, it helps in controlling the cost by comparing the actual cost with the estimated or standard cost. It helps in determination of the selling price. How in the sense by formulation of the different production policies towards the production process or towards the producing the product. Next, it improves the competitive spirit of the organization. It helps in allocating the various available resources. Finally, it helps in decision making. The next concept is cost control and cost reduction. Let's see what is cost control and cost reduction. It is very important concept. See, cost control. Cost control is a process whereby actual costs are compared with the standard costs so that waste can be measured and appropriate actions can be taken to correct the activities. See, the cost element is a process. It involves the various steps to cost control that we are going to discuss in the next classes. See here, the cost control is a step-by-step process. It is like an algorithm where the actual costs are compared with the standard cost. Of course, when the actual performance or actual cost is compared with the standard or estimated cost, we get to know that the variability, that is the difference between the actual cost and standard cost. So this difference, either be it is positive or negative, but this ultimately helpful to the business organization to take the necessary actions. So when the business organization compares the actual cost with the standard cost, this ultimately helpful to take the necessary actions. So thereby the business organization ultimately measure the wastages and takes the appropriate actions towards that wastages, and finally they going to correct the activities, that is where the mistake or mistakes has been already happened in the production process. See, once again, a cost control is a process whereby actual cost is compared with the standard cost. This ultimately helpful to know the difference between the actual cost and standard cost. So this difference ultimately helpful to the business organization to measure the wastages where resources misused, and this finally helps the business organization to take the appropriate actions to correct the mistakes or activities which is involved in the production process. And also this cost control simply it prevents the wastages within the existing environment or within the existing production process. So that's why the cost control is one of the important process in the business organization towards the production of the products. Thereby it enables the business organization to reduce the cost per unit. And see, next one, the significance of cost control. What is the significance or importance of the cost control? You know that what is cost control. So cost control is a process where the actual cost is compared with the standard cost. It helps in decision making, right? So decision making towards the production process, that is about cost again. So is this really this cost control helps the business organization? Yes, of course, exactly. See, this cost control enables the business organization to achieve some different objectives which is prefixed. Either it is a short term or long term objectives. But cost control helps the business organization to achieve the different business objectives. Next, see the another significance of the cost control. So this cost control leads to proper utilization of the firm resources. Yes, when the cost control helps the business organization to achieve the short term and long term objectives, towards to achieve the short term or long term objective, the organization will be going to make a plan to proper utilization of the resources, that is effectively in the production process. So this is also one more step to achieve that objective. Next, it ensures the survival and growth of the firm by preserving its compatibility. Yes, of course, when the business organization optimum or optimizing the resources in the production process, this ultimately helpful to achieve some targets of the business organization. So this automatically helps the business organization to produce the product with the low cost and high efficiency with the high quality. And also the sales revenue of the business organization will be going to increases. So this automatically give a green signal to the business organization about survival and growth of a business firm. How? In the sense, ultimately by preserving the competitive compatibility against the competitors. And one more significant, the cost control makes sure that our organization remained efficient. So in the meaning itself, we have already discussed a cost control is the process. It involves the various steps to control the cost of the business organization. So therefore, the cost control makes sure and guaranteed our organization remained efficiency, because to control the cost, the organization will be going to make a different plans and procedures and implement the procedures and plans into actions. So thereby it enables the business organization to monitor the performances. So this ultimately helps the business organization to remain efficiency or to remain in efficient way, because in the monitoring and feedback stage, this will help the business organization to correct the activities if there is any loopholes. So this ultimately helps the business organization to remain as a efficiency or inefficient as a competitor. So these are the various significances of the cost control. Now see how the business organization will be going to control the cost towards the various cost elements. That is, control the cost in raw materials, and control the cost towards wages, and control the cost in power and fuel expenses, and control the cost in stores and spare parts expenses, and control the cost towards different overheads. So based on these cost elements only, the business organization will be going to make a plan to control the cost. When the cost is controlled, automatically the resources will be effectively utilized in the production process. So this is one more step towards the success of the business organization to achieve the short term and long term objective again.